another shocking case that has emerged from Bengaluru in Karnataka. Class 4 student was allegedly assaulted. This incident was reported at a Bengaluru private school. Teacher, in fact, has been accused of beating a child, and the mother of this child, in fact, has filed a police complaint. FIR has been registered, is what we have learnt. We have Navya, my colleague, joining us live right now for more on this. Navya, what more details can you share with us? Class 4 student was allegedly assaulted, and we are getting some shocking and scary visuals as well.
Well, this is firstly a very disappointing, incident that happened with a class 4 student who was assaulted for allegedly not doing a homework by his class teacher. Now, what we are learning is the teacher since Jan 10 has been assaulting this child for not doing homework, and she further went on to threaten the child to not reveal this to their family and hide it from the family. And the matter came to light when the boy's mother suspected, after seeing his visible bruises on his hand and leg, and then the child went on to narrate the entire story of what happened and how teacher assaulted him, hit him for not doing homework. After learning this, the mother has filed a police complaint in Nandini Layout Police Station for allegedly assaulting his child for not doing homework. This is something that we need to focus on, how children are being treated in private schools, because this is not one or two, this is multiple events that have been happening so far. And later on, the police have now registered an FIR against this, and they have taken her into custody, is what we are learning at this point.
All right. Thank you, Navya. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.